Welcome to Buc-ee's. This is MD168. I want you to join us on our walk through the Buc-ee's. So guys, welcome and enjoy. It's my beautiful day. It's a Buc-ee's. Let me say that you love me. It's a beautiful. See, it's so big. It's a big Buc-ee's. Huh? Not yet. Good. I'm gonna go. Here's the Buc-ee's. Oh, this is what Mark's talking about. You want this? 14. This is good. Oh yeah. I want this one. This one. Gee. Huh? Expensive coin. I like this. It's a candle. Hoop, hoop, hoop. Oh yeah. It's a candle. Hour in Temple, Texas, the eye. Oh. Wow, so big. It's a big store. Buc-ee's. It's a big store. So I'm in Buc-ee's. Lots of good stuff here. Look at the glasses, shirt, and everything. Lots of good stuff. I wanna bring you to the sandwiches. They have a lot. Pagkaon there, guys. Oh yeah, pili lang kasi lang pagkaon. It's yummy, yummy. It's good. Texas barbecue. Oh yeah. All good stuff. Oh yeah, yummy. All good stuff. Oh my God. Look at that. It's all good stuff. Jerky. Oh my God. Look at that Buc-ee's. Oh yeah. Look at this Buc-ee's. It's so cute. It's so cute. That's so cute. Everything here. Oh, Nice mag-shopping nga rin, guys. This is a gas station but it's like a shopping mall when you go inside. There's a lot to see. So God, too many. There's a lot, guys. I cannot libot-libot everything everywhere. It's too many. We have this kind of Fredericksburg farm. This is from Fredericksburg. Are we gonna visit there one day? This year we were not able to kay busy. So next year visit here in Texas with my aunt. We will go to Fredericksburg. Oh yeah, that's so cute. Boots. Masarap itong hubana, guys. Okay, guys, mula ka na ta. Oh, it's good to have like this. Do you know that? Where's my husband? Masarap itong hubana. I got lost. They have two different row. But then aram de gahong darling.